Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I was going to do a YouTube live and I couldn't figure it out, so I went ahead and did a Facebook live but still wanted to post it here for all of you on YouTube. So I'm doing a little intro outro. As you can see, everything is behind me here and looking ever so fabulous. So this is all of my goodies that I got from Stampin' Up! For earning the Greece trip. We chose to not go to Greece, but yet we still got all of the fabulous goodies. So here's the video of my Facebook Live that I did. And of course you can always enter the contest by jumping over to my Facebook. I'll leave a link down below so that you can just click on that and head on over there. So enjoy the video. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. So I was totally going to try out a YouTube live and it wasn't working. So I'm going to do this on Facebook. So today you're actually not going to see my stamp room as I've been showing a lot of it lately. So instead you're just seeing a blank white wall and some plugins back there that apparently are showing. I will show my stamp room maybe tomorrow. We'll see. But I did get the other Kallax QB thing built and it totally tears down and looks awesome. But anyway, today I am going to show you the goodies that I got from Stampin' Up! For Greece. So we chose to not go to Greece. So rather than taking the trip to Greece, instead we took a cash out option and still got all of the goodies that everybody got there. So those who got the goodies on the trip, I am now getting my goodies here. So I was just going to go over all of those. It's not a complete unboxing because I got this like the day before we moved, and so I didn't want to wait till now to open it. So I went ahead and opened it at that time, but I still want to go through all the goodies and show you guys what I got. So hopefully all of them are still together. There is so many bags. I can't believe how many bags there are, but there is this cute bag, and it says Santorini, or I think I'm pronouncing that right, on the top. But it's like a nice little canvas bag, and it has Velcro here at the top. And all of the gifts have these little white clips with blue ribbons. And so this one says, "Darling, bring this darling gift to make and take open house because you'll need it for the project." So it's in there though, actually. And then it has my name. And then instead of my cabin, since we didn't go, then it says, "We missed you." So how cute is that? But there's all of these little tags on everything. And this one is the Most Wonderful Time of the Year stamp set, as well as the Most Wonderful Time product medley, which I'll be completely honest, I'm not sure I know what this is. So I'm going to open this up. I kind of went, oh, it's stamp stuff, and then just moved on. But now I actually really want to know what it is. So it's another stamp set. So now I have two, as well as the Most Wonderful Time of the Year dies. And what do you call that? Tinsel, I think. And then the little package of what looks like these are, actually maybe I don't know what these are. It looks like DSP, but then there's also like die cuts and stuff. Is this a kit that I don't know about? Did I pass over it? Maybe. I don't know that I'm going to be able to open that. And then there's beautiful little stars. But these are like smaller than the stars in the Brightly Gleaming, I think. But they're super cute and very similar to that. So that is the first box of goodies and the cute little bag. And then we have this. This is a like a lady's vest. And it's got like blue. So it's got like blue here, and then it actually has like the little Grease emblem on the back. It's like rubbered. But yeah, it's super cute, and it says Stampin' Up. So super, super cute. Of course, if I got this in July whenever everybody else went, I wouldn't be wearing that anytime now anyway. But now I might be actually wearing it. And then this is the one thing that I'm super excited about. Like, what does this look like? If you know the Designer Series paper set that this resembles, then let me know in the comments below. And maybe I'll, like, pull out, like, draw a name or something like that for a free gift or something. So let me know what Designer Series paper this resembles. So again, this one says Impressive with the little tag here. And this is like a little like makeup bag. So it's got the Stampin' Up logo there, and then these gold zippers. So the one set has the little gold zipper, and it's like mesh. And then this you can put like your stuff, but it's got like a nice little plastic cover. So when you put like your brushes, makeup brushes and stuff in here, then the makeup isn't transferring. And then just like a big open area. So super, super cute. So yeah, contest. Let me know what Designer Series paper this resembles. What else do we have? Whoop. So we have some, this says Adorable. How cute is that? Like, all these little tags are so cute. This is Mercury Glass. Who is loving Mercury Glass? I am. I super, super love it. And then this is some of the To All Tidings Designer Series paper pack. And let's see. This stamp set I've been dying for, and I told myself I wasn't going to buy it before waiting for this stuff to arrive, but it was really hard. But this is the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set, and I think this is so cute. Like, those greetings can be used like for any sort of Christmas card. So like, I can take this stamp set to my classes, and if someone doesn't like whatever greeting we're using, then I can take this, and it's like an all-in-one stamp set for them to pick from. We got more bags. You're right, Karen. I didn't want to say it too loud if it's a contest. So anyway, here is another bag, and this one says Perfect. And inside here is the Perfectly Plaid stamp set, which is the free stamp set of the month. You can choose between Perfectly Plaid or A Day of Thanks, which is the one with the turkey on it. But so there's the Perfectly Plaid stamp set and the coordinating punch and the cute little bag. I don't know if I should put it back in and take like a big picture of everything or just toss it to the side. And then, so this is technically Brad's bag because mine is so fabulous. So here's, oh, and I guess he's missing his little tag. It's in there somewhere, but here's the little thing. But this is like an upgraded version of just like one of those bags, like with the little strings that goes like that. But it's a little bit nicer than that. And you can see it's got that same logo, and then it's got these two. Oh wait, maybe I put an extra tag on there, because here's another one. But it's got these little like side mesh pockets on either side to put like water bottles. And then it's got this front zipper pouch that completely opens up, and it's got one of those little like things that you can put like headphones through, or like a charging cable through, or something like that. I think this will be awesome to use like with Claire, like going to the zoo or like something like that, because it's fairly like heavy, like weight and everything. So super, super cute. And then my bag is in a bag, but look how cute that bag is with the same logo from Grease with Stampin' Up, and it says Charming, and it's got like super long little ribbons. And here is my bag. So this is a white and brown leather bag, and it's got the logo down there. And it's got the handle up top here, but it's actually like a backpack style, which a friend of mine actually showed that she took hers to like a watch leather repair guy, and he ended up making it a crossbody because she said she's not a big backpack person, and the crossbody was super cute. But like he took like these hooks and put them like here or something like that. I don't know. I'm not a Leatherman person, so I really don't know, but hers was super cute too, as a crossbody. And then it opens up and unzips. And then on the inside, there's pockets, like a zipper pocket here and another pocket on the other side that doesn't zipper. But yeah, super, super cute. Of course, it's got silica gel in it. Don't eat the silica gel. But you can use that for your crafting because you can color it and put it in your shaker domes. So super, super cute. Love it. And then this, I think, I'm not sure what bag this was in, but this is organic extra virgin olive oil, which we use olive oil a lot for cooking. So this will come in handy. I haven't opened it yet to see like the taste or the smell or anything. But Greek olive oil. And then black Stampin' Dimensionals, which can you believe how much I'm a Stampin' Dimensional freak? And I totally forgot that these were coming out in the holiday catalog. So this is actually my first set of black Stampin' Dimensionals. I find myself very upset about that because you would have thought I would have ordered those like the first thing. And I didn't. I'm losing my mind. You know what? There's actually 4 sheets. There's 4 sheets in this pack of Stampin' Dimensionals. 680! That's a lot. I go through a lot of Stampin' Dimensionals because I go through a lot of packs. But I'm pretty sure the other packs only have 3 instead of 4. I don't know. Anyway, I'm setting those aside to make sure I use them. There's another little tag. Some tissue paper. This one's heavy. This one says Exquisite. And it's another little bag with the logo on there. And this one has the ornament punch pack in it. Super cute. Brightly gleaming ornament punch pack. And then the last item is this cute little box. It's got the little waves on the side. And it is a cute charm bracelet. Here, I think I can, yeah, I can take it out. So it has a Stampin' Up logo on one of the charms, on the biggest charm there. And then the other 3 little charms say Inspire, Create, Share. Oh, maybe I shouldn't be saying. So Inspire, Create, Share. And then there's the little Stampin' Up logo. And I think the other side, they're all... Oh, no. So the other side says Inspire, Create, Share. So the Inspire, Create, Share are double-sided. And then the Stampin' Up logo has the little grease image on it. So that's super cute. And actually, I have a Disney one from going... That charm is like stuck. Anyway, I'll fix that later. It just needs to bump to the other side. But I have a Disney one that's like very similar from going to convention last November, like almost a year ago now. And I'll have to just add it to this one or add these to that one, whichever one is easier to replace. Black Dimensionals. I know. Did you not know about that? Like, I need to find it in the catalog and like point it out because how did I forget that these came out and just like let it go? Like, you know, dimensional enthusiast here. I thought I was, but now I feel like I needed to have that badge stripped from me because I didn't get more excited about this before. Another cute little clippy. So that's everything from my box from Greece. Of course,
We just earned Maui, and we are going to Maui. So I'll be able to come home with all my goodies or sorry, I kicked it. Or show you guys each day, depending on how internet is out in Hawaii, which I'm sure it should be fine, because at least it's not another country. Although it's so far out there, I feel like it's another country. Yeah, don't talk to me about flights because flying scares me already. So that's about the only thing about going to Hawaii that is making me super nervous. So I'm just trying not to think about that. Anyway, I'll see you guys all later. I'm going to get to work. Claire is at Claire Care. So I am going to be organizing and getting everything ready for Stamp Club tomorrow. I'm so excited to have my stampers back together, and we will be stamping in Laura's new stamp pad. So I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.